Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to buy partial stocks on Charles Schwab, full guide. Open a Schwab account, find your desired ticker, choose fractional shares, and enter the dollar amount to invest in the trade ticket. I will explain order types, minimums, and how Schwab executes partial share trades so you feel confident placing your first dollar-based buy order without guessing share counts or overcommitting funds. Place your order by searching the ticker, switching to dollar-based purchasing, and typing the exact dollar amount to invest for a partial share. Choose market or limit order, review the estimated share fraction and potential fees, and confirm the trade. I will walk through how to set alerts, adjust orders, and cancel if needed so you can manage fractional share buys without surprises and keep your portfolio aligned with your plan. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tips and walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute smelling great while you monitor your investments. It's a small, easy upgrade that makes trading sessions more pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After your purchase, monitor fractional shares in your Schwab portfolio and check cost basis and performance regularly. I will cover how Schwab applies dividends to fractional shares, how voting rights may differ, and practical rebalancing tips using dollar amounts to reach target allocations. You will learn simple routines for record keeping, tax considerations for partial shares, and how to consolidate or liquidate fractions when your strategy or life circumstances change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.